hetero, a hetero, anum kubulwa, angwedi, antu, anum tutur, anum zam, azinzis, avusa amazulu, ayimotem, ayisibonga ugesi phela. Masiloko sihuba lamahubo. Avusa lento ngesizulu bathi usi. Ngaphakathi. Manje ke lamahubo asawahubi ngobugcwele. Ngoba masithi indaba ezitha kunyakaza umkhonto. Si expecta ukuthi inkosi iphake impi. Manje asisaculi ngokugcwele. Nathi siyacula nje. Sisempini. Kepha amakhosi wayibona leyo. Uyabona into ebuhlungu ke leyo. Uma abantu ke sebeyithathela amandla. Bathi nayi le. Abaholi bethu abayiboni. Uyathola leyo. Manje isikhathi lapho ngabe amakhosi amobilize ama-constituency abo. Masikhuluma manje about the reawakening of the sleeping giant. Sikhuluma ngale nkanyamba evukayo. Yavuka le nkanyamba. Sivuka buzwake. Uma wena ungayizwa le nkanyamba ivuka. Isabelo sikafiki. Bathi ngesizulu bathi umnyama ebusweni benkani. Ngoba nayi yasukuma naturally land. It's rising. Ikhuphuka kuphi la kuwe? Umbeleni. Iyo le ehamba iyoflasha your third eye. Ukuze wena manje ukhona ukudownloada from the source of knowledge. Inkanyamba iyasukuma. Sibona njani? Bona ngezeke. Kwenzakaleni in a few days ago. What is a major thing that happened in South Africa? Dislocation of the system. You create an imbalance. Koko bayasikonfirmela. Ukuthi lokho ngamelanga kuye phambili kumele kuwe. Ngoba manje lempi yakhumbula sathi thina sesilwa intelligent. Sesicela emoyeni. Usethi umphidlizi wenze. Umphidlizi wenzeni manje? Who would have thought this would happen? Nobody would have thought ukuthi lento yenzakala ukuthi iqembu elikhulu kangaka. Ligcine liba less than 50%. And they are because alithandwa abantu. But it's because they are arrogant. Abamamela abantu. Bamamela ubasman. Ngoba the minute you listen to the corporate world, awusa please idlos lakho nalabantu abamnyama. So please abantu. Please ubas. Hayi abantu, there's no sentimental attachment to movement. Ikhona. Kepha abantu abayiholayo bagcine baba arrogant. Uyazi uma ubasondela uthi maphethe i-movement yafa. Nakho kumele ngabamba lapha nalapha yojabulisa abantu lokho. Ababuzwa. There has been many approaches. Ngoba manje into ezosave yonke le ukuthi there must be a major thing which supports blackness. Ngaphindi ube lokhohlisa la usitshela ngabo Rainbow Nation. Yini leyo nto leyo? Yeah? The Rainbow Nation is to continue ukuthi usitothe man. Concentrate on us, the majority of the people of this country. Yasukuma inkanyamba izogwenya. Njalo. Meaning ukuthi manje okhokho bethu bathi ingakho it's not by chance ukuthi nge-20 sihlangana ngalezi zindlu zomoya. Meaning ukuthi asiyohlangana ngokwenyama, yohlangana boHeru, bahlangane noSehmet, bahlangane noNuthi, bahlangane noJehudi. Si-identifya kanjalo on the 20th. Shokuthi okhokho bayayikhanda lento. Kubekwa ini istep. Akuyohlanganwa lapha so that when you can feel good about yourself, ukuthi uHeru, uNuthi, ubani. Yohlanganwa lapha so that we put foundation for our true governing system into the future. When you talk about the great empire of Kemet, ukhuluma nge-union yalama principle ayi-12, because we all belong to one of them. That is the real great empire of Kemet. Ngoba okhokho bethu, remember ukuthi okhokho bethu bebephila ngamatalent. Amatalent abawathola kuphi? From these houses. Ukuthi indlu kaSibanibani italented ngalendlela, indlu kaSibanibani italented ngalendlela. Uyo ke umoya ovukayo. Asikhulumi ngenye. So manje when you then practicalize it physically, kumele ke kube ne structure esinjalo nasemhlabeni ukuze si fulfill the idiom that says as above so is below. Meaning ukuthi yonke into esiyenzayo into the future must create resonance. Hey, ungenzi into othina senze into la amakhehla agoqile le thina hayi no sibhizi siyagijima kanjani. There's no resonance, akuna harmony la. So nayo ke into ke esikwizi ngayo bese ke after i-20 emakhehla Jogad. Hey, nge-23 sizobe sisePulukwane. ePulukwane siyokwenza. Remember ukuthi nge-23 sika December ilanga li closest to earth, and on that day lipampa hydrogen so that earth sustains itself until this period again. Manje okhokho bathi umoya wamakhosi namakhosikazi lo, umoya wobukhosi. So amakhosi bewe aligna ke nalezo indawo ukuthi receive lawo mandla directly on that line. Do you understand? So that is the importance yakuphi, and yenzakala iPulukwane after le ekhaya lenda. It means ukuthi manje le structure sizosibeka on the 20th. Sinikeza umoya le ePulukwane. ePulukwane ke kula manje ke meaning ukuthi hydrogen when it's pumped emhlabeni kakhulu. Remember ukuthi ngoSeptember it's renewed. Ayikagcwali, ayikafiki. Kepha ngoDecember seyifikile. Right? Say that, man. It means our etheric bodies or our electric bodies, it's being plugged in. So that it recharges, it's like a page. The page will let more tomorrow I start. There are 5 pages. So, managing 823, we will be recharging our etheric bodies so that we are ready to launch our programs that will make us rebuild the great empire of Kemis. The program is straight when I this is the reawakening. Mesiti reawakening. Sikuluma ngomuntu omnyama emhlabeni wonke. Ungabheka umhlaba wonke uphethwe ilomoya. Nabantu base America manje seliyavuka. Yavuka idlozi bengalazi babone bejampa la indoda. Ikhona le ndoda. Ngoba ufikile lo moya that reawakens the carbon, the melanin within us. Siyathanda noma sithandi unless we are beyond the redemption we are a lost cause. We have nothing to do with that. Bakhona abantu abanjani. Which you know, labantu lava, no, it doesn't matter ukuthi ungakhuluma kanjani. Ba believe ukuthi amanga, it's their truth. Ubazwela ubuhlungu. And the more ubheka ukuthi lento abakuyo, it's lowering their vibrational frequency. Yingakho nawe akumelanga ukuthi bavumele bakafethe ngaleyo ndlela. Umuntu mombona ukuthi kulelo kona la of believing the lie. Shaya izandla thokoza khehla uthokoza gogo uthi. Shaya Mama, there's nothing that we are going to achieve. Remember ukuthi Makhetha, if future belongs to those who prepare today. If ungayekho kule content, iyakushiya le train. Le train iyakusala. It's not about ukuthi manje sizokuzana ukuthi wena idoctorate yakho yini. Cha. If future yethu italent lakho ke. Futhi amelanga ilibuze. Mele ngikubone ukuthi ayilo. Uyilento. Akumelanga ukubuza. Bengisakubuza akusho ukuthi you are in the closet. Kumele ujumpe up. Abanye abantu wena khetha kubuhlungu ngoba baze bahambe emhlabeni bangayitholanga le ukuvuseleleka kwekombilili azange kwenzeke kulomo. Uthola ukuthi omunye umuntu mdala kepha lento le, it means it's a generation and generation and generation yabantu or iline yakubo elokhu ikholelwa emangeni. Understand? We have last week, no, not last week, kule viki le ngiye ngajabula kakhulu kukhona isenzo senzakele kepha emndenini. You understand? La ba realize ukuthi balahle kuphi indlela. Bazitshela as a family ukuthi njengoba sengilitholile iqiniso kumele sigeze lamadlozi alayini. Besilokho siwathuka for years. Kuloko uthaba amadimono kokho bakho. That is what we were saying to our ancestors. Manje ngijabulele leyo nto leyo ngoba manje leso senzo sikhulula namadlozi ekhaya. Yilabantu abezwa benze. Ngoba uma ngabe uhlubuka edlozini Masowubuyela awusabuyele nje uthano ushaphu semkhona hayi kumele wenze usiko lwakhona ushwaleze uxolise ukuthi bengihlubukile kepha manje sengibhekile ngqo futhi ungenze ubufake ubambe ngapha nangapha ayisebenzi leyo nto awubuya kubo kumele ubuye kubo ngobugcwele wazi ukuthi bona yibo obathembayo to take your message to indlovukazi. Indlovukazi thumele kuphi kumveli nqangi ilapho i-belief system yethu ilapho. It's just that abelungu bagcine manje sebesenza ukuthi sibone ngathi it is through a male energy that you go to umveli nqangi kanti it's through indlovukazi. So akekho umuntu ongayiboni they are reawakening on the continent. There are so many things ezenzakalayo on the continent which then reconfirm ukuthi umuntu omnyama is regaining the consciousness again. Consciousness about what? Not about the philosophy yomuntu, but about the philosophy yemvelo. And that is the energy that we need to reconstruct land. Remember ukuthi umsebenzi wamakhosi esiwenzayo kahle kahle isecret yamakhosi lesi phezukwayo kepha amakhosi ayirejecta ngoba besaphethwe yilo mbhedo kaGeorge eMakhaya. uGeorge uthe mele sambe ngalendlela so nabo basasekuleyo line manje ke remember that because it's not a domain of an elite or exclusive. Remember sonke sidonsa kumveli nqangi nonomkhubulwane. It means ukuthi sonke we have the potential to lead. Uma ngabe idlozi liphezulu kwekhanda lakho siyobona ngezenzo bese siyalandela nawe ukhosi lo endemele usitshele ikusasa namhlanje nokuthi siyofika kanjani lapho. Ungezi ngamagama nje ulokho usitshela amagama because labantu laba basibusa namagama hayi ngezenzo. Thina la eKhemet sikholelwa kwizenzo. That is the most important thing. That is the real reawakening. And we can't do it. Sesiyavusa our own thing. Kepha sivuse ngecontent wrong. As an example, China, when they got their independence, benzani bavala amabhoda bafida abantu babo ngecontent yabo. The Israelis, when they got bayotshontsha umhlaba ama-Palestinian lapha, now ama-Palestinian awutshontshe kithi. That's why they are conflicting ekiphela. But what is common amongst them? In leadership, they were wise enough. I cannot build a nation without a solid glue that binds the people. So our leaders to have been failing to identify that glue. So tinage eKhemet based on ulwazi lokho si identify leyo nto leyo ukuthi sihlubukile kumvelo. We need to plug ourselves back to it. Then that becomes a glue that binds all of us. In that way, you are building a stronger and stronger nation. Because a nation that is conscious of itself, it will never allow Uguti again. They must be turned into slaves. We will never allow that again. The man. it means ukuthi ukusontululeka kwakho. What does that mean? It means ukuthi stop being not jealous, individualistic. Ungazicabangeli wena ngoba okhokho bakho bafuna nawe ufake isakuzo. Idlozi lakho lifuna ukubhalwa ukubalwa amongst amadlozi ayivusile again there. So it means ukuthi njengoba sesithola sizazi, knowing ourselves through amatalent ethu, lawo matalent mele akhanyisele abanye abantu, angakhanyiseli wena phela. That's being selfish. And remember futhi enye siya complimenta. Remember ukuthi ikhanda Lord without umzimba is nothing. Umzimba without inyawo, umzimba without izandla, umzimba without amehlo. Hey, zonke lezi zinto eyodwa, kodwa they are all, different branches of the same tree, and that they are all important, which is why that thing yenza ukuthi kube ne revolt eKhemiti. Ngoba there's this guy lo ubani ngoba ubaba kaTutankhamun, uAnkheten. Lo muntu loyo lo bambiza kahle kahle the real Moses, not lo fake wabelungu amaJuda. That's the real Moses. Our betrayer the spiritual canon yaseKhemiti. Wathi abantu abayeke ukuhlonipha and ukubonga uSekhmet, abayeke ukubonga uJehudi, abayeke ukubonga lo kubongwe nje umvelincane kuphela. Base bathi abelungu uze Moses uze nemonotheism. Wamvukela ke lo muntu wabalekela kuphi towards Israel. Kula he went to exile. Why? Because okhokho bethu babelieve ukuthi awukwazi ungabongi energy that makes your leg move. As much as the pineal gland here, that is important. But the pineal gland, for it to express, it needs isandla, it needs inyawo, it needs all the organs. So manje ke lenkosi ke meyibaleka umntwana wakhe uTutankhamun lo umhlaba wonke wa restore the original philosophy, spiritual philosophy as a Catholic. You understand? So lezi zinto lezi lokho ziyenzakala in our lives as African people. But manje yikho kuthiwa ungatweak izinto uzwe abantu bathi siphuphukile manje bebe bekhuluma ngeregression. Hayi sesikhanda ama cell phone. Regression, there's no improvement or development there because you are killing yourself. Boom! Because of Lama phone, I use my mind lesser. Before I used to store all the phone numbers of the people I know here. Khona manje semkhohlwane yami. Umuntu uyambuza inamba yami mele ngibuza umuntu engimaziyo. Hey man, angifonele ngizobona inamba yami. If development la. Hey, it means ukuthi udevelopa izinto ezifake. Izinto okuyizo zomoya that gives you the same ability ukuthi uyenze ucommunicate nabantu without even talking directly. Ngikuthumela ifile nje ePDF enkulu ufunde uqede umphendula. Meaning ukuthi spiritual development sethu kula basdisturb khona, we were there. Besilapho we didn't need lento zama cell phone. Abantu nje bebeyemfuleni bayazi ukuthi the receiver ulinde komunye umfula na. connect, bakhulume, baphendulane nge-nature, because they understood the current that is running, you know, kulo mfula lo. That is technology, nature, and it is not destructive. It fuses and harmonizes very well with nature. So manje basikhohlisile sonke. Senza ukuthi sitatazele ngale bathi artificial intelligence. Uyavuma nawe. It's the best. Yini abakufihleli bathi artificial intelligence. Nawe sokuthathekile. Uzomama professor kodaki the way by promoter ngakhona. Yeah, no, this is the end of. If ungabheka in terms of book, bakhuluma nge-artificial intelligence. La elokishini akunama computer, akuna internet. Do you understand? When so pasisi budget for that development, la foundation where that development is supposed to be grounded on, ayikho. Wenzani lapha? Le mali uyisa ebalungwini. Usitshela ngalento how beautiful it is. Why? Because you want to. Ufuna ukupasisa le budget so that you njingisa nabelungu bakho. Ungazokhuluma i-artificial intelligence eSoweto where there are no computers. Abantwana, they can't even do homework. Akuna internet. Akuna no Wi-Fi. At least ngabe usitshela nge-artificial intelligence so far the free Wi-Fi. Uhlulwa yini government? You control all these frequencies. And then the frequencies ufuna ukusichargela wona, they are free. When you enhance that energy, you enhance that frequency so that I'm able to do and use the phone call gadget yakho. Hey, manje i-unfairness ilapho. Even if namhlanje we can develop a free electricity system, the government is going to deny it. The government uzowala. Uzoti government that will make our economy fall. So my difficulties are the system esikuyo. Anzima kabi. Right, okay. We need to strengthen this parallel system. Okay. So that abo imhothephe sinabo laba ama-scientists bonke be-technology bahlangane and come up with something. 40 besakhuluma ngale Eleron awudingi incwadi for them. You only need to access the source of knowledge. The source of knowledge is wehlisa isambulelo. Ukuze lamafake abelungu ama-scientists. Uthi umuntu bekulela ngabona i-apulaliwa bho. How I discovered the force of gravity. How? And uzwa. Remember, Tina Okokobe. Maukuluma, the force of gravity, and the ukuluma about the 4 forces: gravity, the stronger, the weaker, and the what? Those 4 forces. Tina Besizaz, Uguti, those are the guardians of the 4 corners of the world. But set, Neptet, Osset, those are the 4 guardians, and those are the 4 energies. Ezibambe umhlaba. Manje uzositshela wena ukuthi ufunde ngokubona iyakhula le. Abelungu kade basikhohlisa. So, manje what I'm trying to say ukuthi lenkanyamba ingakho mele sibeke silethe esintwini. lenkanyamba evukayo Makhehla idedele ivuke. Idedele ivuke ngoba through you ulokhu usidaba singawela dalula hawe. Silokho sisokoliswa into nje encane. Ufike wena uthi hayi man ngivuka naphupha so mase kumamela sithi nayi lento le elokhu isisokolisa. Yingakho akekho umuntu ongabalulekanga ephilweni. All of us are very important because asazi ukuthi isambulelo siyohlela kubani nini futhi. Ungalokho manje ubhekela abantu phansi. Why? Because wena ukhanya utholile. Akumelanga ubheka abantu phansi wena mele ubancedise ukulayita lamalambu abo. If abantu bayakhanyiseleka, you've done your role. And ngalokho akusho ukuthi mele ukhothanyelwe, ukhathazwe. No. Kumele nje sithole indlela ukuthi how do we move forward as equal but different. Yangizwa? Equal but different. Why? Because sizalwa from different houses. Wonke umuntu une talent lakhe, wonke umuntu is supposed to play a role. Uma sifika kwabantu baka Asa, those are warriors. They will defend us to death. And the Labo Bantu are good in agriculture. So samela asibhekwe nindlu. Kungasuki lapho uthe uthi azofuna ukuba ku-agriculture sithi hey wena ufunani lapho? Ngoba indlu yakho lapha ileya yesithathu. Wena we communicate. Ulenduza the treasurer of i-calendar yethu umfundisikazi association with wealth development. Do you understand? Umfundisikazi loyo ukuthi labo bantu labo ukuthi mawusebenza and ufuna i-progress in your project, hanta umfundisikazi, hanta uheheru. Ufuna umuntu owuheheru. Uthi hayi kahle ngiyafuna wasala. Ngoba wena uyaliphela le phone. Ulifaka yonke lento ema ingredient. Yena uyalibonda. Uyalibonda. Beke libonda uyalidevelop. Develop lize libe right. Do you understand? So that is the intelligence that we need to approach the future with. Yonke into yethu must be scientific. The government yet must be represented by 11 people, 12 with the leader. But manje so completed the whole sector. We ask ukuthi there will be an efficient government. Ungaqasha abantu esibhedlela, abantu abanyanya, abantu abagulayo. Umuntu meke gula ungazongihlupa wena. Awukuliswanga yimani. Abompili bafunana esibhedlela. Bafunana esibhedlela abompili. You must make sure when you hire abantu abahambelana ne-health, abo-segment, njengabophela. Abalaphi, wena ulapha ngesigubhu, wena ulapha ngani, wena ulapha ngani kepha into yenzayo iyalapha. I-voice protester isilaphi every Sunday. Ungasiqhumeli nami. So, izinto sobezikhuluma ngazo lapho ngejweni. Umuntu uyiyo le. Uqala ukumbona nje. Lapho Mele ngekho Sunday. Siyasha sonke sitokole. Siyacula. Afike nje na ibambe. Ngene moyeni sonke. Usilapha ke ngephimbo lakhe. Hey, manje yiyo ke indlela okumele sibe strong. That is what we talk about when we talk about the reawakening of the sleeping giant. Imizwa umnyama. Belele ubuthongo bathi perpetual slumber. Belungu bekhuluma. But manje siyavuka. Siyavuka ngoba intsha iyouth embrace the content. And once youth embrace the content, then the future is guaranteed. The future is guaranteed, meaning ukuthi abantu abazoyiphilisa ngempela is the next generation from us. Bazoyiphilisa lento ngempela. Kepha ingane zabo are going to reap the benefits. Yes. There will never be umuntu omnyama ozohlupheka la eAfrica again. Remember ukuthi our resources. Bengisabuka iChina in terms of economy is threatening the US. Hey, the Chinese business people, they own 2/3 of the American stock market. Yeah? And the buyers and them very silently. Bafike the investor ithenga 10%. Ufike the investor 30%. Ufike by the time America ivuka, these people legally are owning 2/3 of our economy. That is why Trump kunokuthi balwe a fair fight. Sebenza lemihlola bayenzayo kubhena iChina ulento. Why? Because they were sleepy. America was busy with arms. China when it was developing technology. So the very same thing should happen like it. Do you understand? The very same thing should happen like it. Kumele, we must see the value of knowing ukuthi there's only one element in the world. What is the value of that knowledge and information to you as umuntu omnyama? You then need to develop and design everything. The architecture yet should be informed by that. Hey, even the formula by Bizanke, Imhotep, Fibonacci. Hey, the spiraling of everything. When they're building the pyramids, that is the value they were using. Hey, now they pi. Abantu who understand the science and mathematics, they understand the calculation of pi. Mauwenza isakhiwo like a chemist umnyama will be calculated based on that number. Sikhuluma nge-science. Yes, and the mind in the science market. I say let the Leokutimelo crash ikhanda ukuthi into yothole e-university nge-200,000 unganayo no-200,000. Umama nobaba sihlala emkhukhwini. Labantu laba kumele basebenze ukuhlanganisa le mali. And le mali le bayihlanganiselana. They are paying a premium to colonize abantwana babo. Ngoba wena because of the social demands and pressure ufuna umntwana wakho abe udofa. And the muntu uyambona lokuthi is just a musician. Niki guitar ushaya amanye ama-chords. Hey, ushaya amanye ama-chords. Manje wena because awufuni ukwaziwe ukuthi unengane eyi-musician ngoba kuthiwa ama-musicians are useless. So ufaka lengane. So ubhadala 200,000. And in the process uyibulala lengane. by nature lengana kuyona umuntu ngabe wenza lento ayenzayo. Do you understand? So even when it comes to education itself, yingakho ke ukhehla lokho emphasize parallel system. Because yonke into esiyenzayo i-wrong. The education itself is wrong. Because education is not teaching us about nature. It's niggas ama-theory nje. Ama-fonko ngabantu. Abantu who plagiarize our knowledge. By susa from nature. By letting you so that they can hold you in condition. Zakutaki noma bangayithola lento, they would never be able to understand it. Bese lokuthiwa abantu abamnyama are fools and stupid. Bashulwa mathematics, ne science. I mean, I'm mathematics, I'm science. Teach me about myself. Then I will better understand this into zomhlaba that relates to everything that I am. Manje mawungifunza i-theory ingenza isidupho. Hey, ngoba mongathi ngifunda u3 without practicalizing ukuthi kahle kahle uthini wena. U3 yini? Mele ngiboye induku lapha 1 2 3. Okay, esibayeni kune inkomo ezingaki? Ngithi induku lapha. Oh, iyaphuma ngibeka. Iyaphuma esibili ngibeka. By the end of the day, sengiyazi neinkomo ezingaki. Based on the induku, that is practical. Wanginikeza u3 ukuthi angiyazi lento okhuluma ngayo. We have our own way of understanding izinto. We are very practical people. Yingakho bokuthiwa uma ubaba wakho bekuyi-carpenter, now you will end up being a carpenter. Why? Because it's skill that came down from your father to your grandfather, from your grandfather to your father and everybody. Iwela kini efana nenqe emakhaya. Ayini noma kuba kune family eyaziwayo ukuthi naba abantu abasenzela lo msebenzi. Makushona ubaba kulandela ingane. Fana nani nabaphathi benkezo. Meaning ukuthi abantu abagcoba amakhosi esigodlweni. Abaphathi benkezo ke la. Kuba ifamily ethize. Makushona ubaba ingane ezalwayo iyatshelwa ukuthi wena this is your position. Ukhula nje azi ukuthi I have got to follow that. But manje because asisena structure lezo zinto lezo seziyenzakala manje ningakho uthola ukuthi abantu sebehamba manje bathathe bakidnap abantwana baba sekuphi entabeni. Why? Because yonke into sokuyimali. Abantwana bayafa entabeni la ngoba sebethintwa umuntu wrong ongamelanga bathinte. Do you understand? Kufana nayo inkosi. Nayo inkosi uyazalelwa lelo. Asiyinto oyikha nje endleleni. And ubonakala usemncane ukuthi le ngane wayibheva ngalezi. Usasemncane baka-identify abantu ukuthi oh no. Now like it not because. But manje bese ukuthola ipolitiki esigodlweni. Umfazi omdala athi yami okumele ikuze. Kepha umoya siyabona ukuthi ulowe. Do you understand? So manje ke we need to avoid such things. In position and power. You can't want to be in position and power at all costs. Ngoba into yethu ukuthi sifika kanjani phambili faster. Mele nje thina sibuka ama size ukuthi ubani onikezwe lo msebenzi ukuthi asiweze ukuthi ubani it shouldn't matter as long as izenzo zakhe ziconfirm ukuthi lo uzosiweza faster kungaqubuki ego lapho ithi hayi no mina kudala ngila lo muntu uyafika mosman angama kanjani lapha phambili. Do you understand that? That shouldn't matter. That shouldn't matter, okay? Ngoba sisebenza ini into yomoya. And umoya angekho ucontrol. Umoya angekho utshele ukuthi ungaveli kumlaba. Umoya angekho ucontrol ukuthi ungaveli kugogo. Do you understand? Umoya uhlala la kumele uhlale khona. Otherwise ubufake nje yonke lento le. Ngoba seyinepolitiki phakathi. Awusekho umoya lapho. When I'm able ukuthi ngimobilize even within endaweni yomoya ukuthi hayi lo asimhlise lo sibeke lo. Yini leyo nto le? Kuhamba manje ego asena moya lapho. So into yomoya is very important Makehla, even in future sikwazi lokho ukuthi umuntu okumele asihole umuntu okumele sibone ngezenzo zakhe hayi ngokuthi thina usitshele amagama 1000 angakanani bakhona abantu amaqili iqili vele likhuluma yabona chama qili ke kepha izenzo zikho we should be aware of that ukuthi abantu they are given the gift of God. Basha belungu. Unikiwe lo muntu lo. Uyakhafula. Beke khafula. Wonke umuntu nje uyabambela. Kanti umanga yonke lento. Umuntu yes akakhuluma kepha sibone action. Walk the talk ndo. Ungasitsheli nje ngomlomo. Manje ke Makehla, it's all about preparing the future. I'm concerned about that. And mina into engiyibhekile ukuthi okhokho they ruled the world ngale content. So Africa should rule the world ngale content again. Don't cast your eyes very short. Funa the whole thing because it belongs to you. Umhlaba wonke belongs to you. There's scientific evidence to that. When you are the first citizen in the whole world. So you need to embrace that. And as long as it's in Zizokotam, once you embrace that, what's changing the which when of Funubusi so wait, you win so wait. When Umtomya Masabele Umshaba Honke. Him so wait. Ungabi ubukele la mele ubuke into the future kancane ngale content sizobusa umhlaba but manje remember ukuthi lento mele iqale la in the south. It must start here in the south for it to work. Kumele ibambe lapha. Once kwalunga the south then ukukhuphuka kwayo sokulula yazifana nani lento masinyusa umbilini. I think it's difficult to use umbilini ngoba umbilini ukuphi at the base of your spine. Yingakho kuthiwa ichakra lapho yindlovu is an elephant. Ihamba kancane kepha la idlule khona ishimaka. Do you understand? The energy may kupuka. Ivula wonke ama-chakras until yoshaya la. And before the energy pour la. Ayawenzi lo. Samele uyifile ngoba le asinto yokutshelwa ngokuthi yenzakala kanjani. You need to experience it yourself. It means you need to be consistent. Lento ukuthi indlovukazi lokhu isadvise ukuthi before ulala meditate, khuphula umbilini ngoba that is your weapon. Umbilini iweapon yama-magic. If you want to experience ama-magic in life, do that development. And the food is cut is the right man during uhetero. Umfundisikazi so that ayifundise lento. That is the power within us. Ayikho because inyukela kuphi pineal gland. I-pineal gland yiyo le okhokho bethu bebebiza inyamazana ise-Orlando West ize iguqe yaza ibophe ize directly ile Orlando West ngoku-understandani i-frequency yayo ayibone i-vision nazi yalapha ayibize ize uluntu. Hey, khona ilanga ngathi bengihamba nomlando sinomsebenzi siyothenga imbuzi yakhumbula ilanga le hostel. Hey, mesifika lapha hostel afika vele soku-12 siyafika siyaphatha manje lo muntu osothenga imbuzi kuye uza nazo uzidonsa from le zinengi vele zizakala kepha le esizoyithatha yeza kithi ngqo bengaba nolentuza nomlaba hey yazikhipha kuzo zonke lezi zinto yeza kithi sayilentuza sayibopha sayifaka emotweni uvumeni that's the power yomoya and that is the power kambili that is the power yokuphahla besiphathelana i-unity yakini besingaphahleli ukuthi lo mbuso uwe kwenzakalani manje so ningayideleli lento yokuphahla manje yazi ibuya ngathi umdlalo nje inamandla ngoba ushukumeza le mimoya uvuselela lama-vibration lokho siphathela lokho ukuthi finally yingakho sihuba le hubo elithi maye sengifuna ukuzwa kahle hawu sengifuna ukuzwa kahle sengifuna ukuzwa kahle lamahubo esiwahubayo njengale hubo elithi thina sizwe simnyama siwahuba ngamabomu every Sunday ngoba siyadeposita emadlozini ukuthi nasi simo sethu akube yinina enixazululayo lenkinga esikuyo kuthiwa indlovu intuthwane yadla ubucopho kancane yangena la indlovu yayishayisa esihlahleni yasiyafa ibulawa yini ingakanani intuthwane uthokozile.
Right, round of applause for you.